Welcome! Today I was going to show you how to do basic jewelry repair, and I get a lot of people ask me how to put back on a lobster clasp, or when a charm falls off they ask me to do it, which is fine. I absolutely love fixing jewelry, but well, today I have jump rings, which you see is just a tiny circle, and you can get them at just about any craft store. And when your focal point falls out from the center, you're going to open it. Let's see if you can see that. With your pliers and slide it back in. And then we're going to take the chain and make sure that it's in the middle. Don't have to have a ruler for this. A guesstimate is normally just fine. And we'll slide that open jump ring with the charm onto the chain, and then we'll pick up our pliers and twist them shut. That gives you a repaired focal piece. Now, if the clasp has fallen off, which has happened quite often, let's see, first and foremost, there we go. We get the chain separated and laid out so we can work with it. Okay, and it's going to work basically the same way as the focal point. You're going to have this little jump ring. You're going to pinch it near the opening, and you're going to just slightly open it, slide the lobster clasp on, and this time you're going to slide it onto the very end of the chain. There we go. Perfect. Now, on this one, I have a little 3-piece of chain. That's all it is. And we're going to do the exact same thing that we did with the jump ring. We're going to open it right there. We're going to slide it onto the other end. There we go. Now, we have a completely repaired piece of jewelry. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stop back for more tips and tricks with jewelry, repair, and later more.